Okay, we didn't really see much snow throughout the afternoon, but there were on and off flurries, and now that wave of moisture is beginning to push its way to the south. But there is more as we look off to the west. As you'll notice right here, it's in northern North Dakota and also in northern Minnesota. That will work its way in as we head into the evening and see more of those light snow chances late tonight heading into early tomorrow. Before behind that, temps really begin to drop off yet again. But tomorrow looks to be very nice and mild for us. We'll take a look at that a little bit later. Right now, we are a tad warmer out there. 18 degrees for your current temperature. West-southwest winds at 8 miles per hour. And temperatures across the entire region, they are mostly in the upper teens for us. 18 in Marquette. Off to the west, more of those upper teens. Ontonagon at 19. Upper teens in Lawrence. Lower 20s in Houghton at 22. And 18 in Florence and 18 in Menominee. And off to the west, well, more of those upper teens. Escanaba at 18. 18 in Iron Mountain at here in Ishpeming. Looks to be the popular number at 18 for you as well. Current winds coming in from the west. 8 in Houghton at 8 in Marquette. And currently at 9 in Munising. So we'll notice more values between 5 to 10 miles per hour. But it's still going to be noticing as we head into the night more of that southwesterly direction, which will start to usher in that warmer and milder air mass that we will see throughout our Thursday and keep temperatures from dropping off too much for us throughout the overnight. And taking a look at temperatures statewide, 21 in Escanaba, a little farther to the south, 23 in Alpena, 20 in Oscoda, and in the teens farther south, Detroit at 15 degrees, and Port Huron at 15 as well. Warmer, mild air hasn't quite made its way over there yet. That's why they are a little cooler than us. And wind chills currently in the single digits for a lot of us. And lower teens, Iron Mountain at 13 degrees, 10 in Ironwood, and at 8 for us here in Marquette. Let's take a look at your headlines. Mostly cloudy tonight with isolated flurries possible. And then we'll see more of those as we head into the afternoon on Thursday. But temps will be much warmer for us. Starting to ease our way closer to that 32-degree mark. We'll find ourselves in the lower 30s for some locations, and a few of us might even exceed that. But as we get closer to Friday, that cool air will find its way back into the region as we go into Friday, knocking highs a good 15 degrees cooler down from what they'll be tomorrow. But let's take a look at the setup. High pressure to our south and west. Low pressure beginning to work its way in from the northwest, and that's going to bring us our light snow as we get closer to late tonight and heading into tomorrow. And we'll see more of that as that cold front does start to slip through the region, and that will bring us more of that cooler air mass from the north. And as we take a look at that here in our Futurecast model, here comes the snow as we head into the evening. Not expecting much out of that at all, maybe a coating even at that, and then we'll see that a lot of that moisture will start to head off to the south. Cool air does find its way back to the region, and then we'll be looking out for another disturbance heading closer to Saturday, but Friday looks to be partially sunny for us. Tonight we'll drop all the way down to actually 12 degrees above zero for a change. Blanket of clouds, and they will act as a blanket, keeping us a little warmer. Winds expected to be light. Your Thursday, more isolated flurries. Southwest winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. 29 for your high in Lawrence, at 33 degrees in Crystal Falls, and 29 in Ontonagon. See, just above that freezing mark in Iron Mountain, Florence, and Crystal Falls, and we'll be at 32 in Escanaba. Your 7-day forecast after the 30s on Thursday. We'll start to fall back off into the teens on Friday, but look at that rebound back on Saturday, 32 degrees for you. So it looks like here in Marquette, not going to exceed that 32-degree mark. So we'll keep that streak going, which is pretty strong right now, right around 22 days. And we'll continue to see more of the cooler air as we head into next week.